What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canva Play.
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Godson B.A. Pinky, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here in Canva Play, we make videos to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. With that said, I'm going to head on to our today's tutorial. Our today's tutorial is called Wrap Text Effect in Canva. This is a very simple design to create. It's been said that one of the most common text effects we usually see in every media is wrap text. This effect alters the positioning of your text to outline a specific shape or image perfectly. At first glance, you might think that it takes a bunch of manual text alignment to wrap text, but doing it is very far from what we see. It's just a matter of applying a shadow to do the magic and create a design that captivates everyone's eyes upon looking at it. Let's now go to Canva and make the wrap text effect, and this is the design that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page, and let's create a design called Wrap Text Effect. Let's begin by coloring the plain white background of my design to any color that I prefer to use. Here in this design, I'm gonna use the color yellow. To be specific, I will click the page and go to the background color tile located at the upper left part of the top bar, and click the plus sign here and type in the hex code FFFF00 for color yellow. Next step is I'll add the text, and that is per your font and size preference that will cover the full page. I will go to text from the side menu. I will add the heading and type in the word Wrap Text Effect in small letters. I will not change the font anymore because for me, Canva Sans, which is the font name, is perfectly fine font to use. I will just make an adjustment on the letter spacing and line spacing settings. For the letter spacing, I'll adjust it to -88. And for the line spacing, I will adjust it from 1.4 to 1.05. And for the anchor text box at the bottom, I'll choose middle anchor. And then I will make it smaller. Maybe typing in 31 is to be specific, and then I will make it bold. The next steps are copy it a couple of times to create a continuous text. I will fill in the full page by just doing the same process. Here's a tip in doing an equally spaced text alignments. Watch it carefully. I will position this text in the top leftmost part of the design page. Here's now the trick. Notice that the text is enclosed in a text box. Did you see it? Don't click outside so it will still be in a text box. Then, duplicate it. And don't click outside so that the text is still enclosed in the text box. Remember that. Then, position it under in an equal space you choose. You can do it by using the drag icon, this one, Alright. Then click now the duplicate button continuously, and it will then be placed in an equal space downwards. Just keep on clicking the duplicate icon or button. See how they are properly aligned? Now, the easy part goes on. Select them all. And duplicate the whole group of text. And don't click anywhere to not losing the text box. And then place it at its sides. I'll align them from the first panel. And then click the duplicate button repeatedly. Again. See? Voila! The whole page is covered with an equal type text. But of course, another way is typing and copying the text and use the position tidy up. And then make a little adjustments, and you can do these alignments too. I'm just sharing with you other options on how to do it. So it's your choice. What option will you going to use? After this, it's now time to select them all and group them as one. And to be safe of not moving any text in it, I like it. Now it's time for me to get the image that will be wrapped around this text. So I will get it from uploads. I will go to uploads and then click this image. This image can also be searched from photos using the keyword cheerful young girl wearing t-shirt standing isolated over yellow background, celebrating success. What will I do with this image is I will remove the background of this. So using this image, I'll go to edit image and click the background remover. Wait a few seconds until the background is removed. If you are a full version user, you can automatically remove the background under edit image. If you are a free version user, you can use the free alternative background remover like remove.bg, and you can find in the description box below the link to this alternative. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. Just click the link and it will direct you to Canva to process your trial subscription. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want, hassle-free. Now, I will click the apply button. Here's now the simple magic I mentioned earlier. I will apply a shadow effect on this photo. So using this image, I'll go to edit image. And then I will find shadows. See all to see its subs, and then look for the glow effect under it and change the settings to, for the size, change it to 15, for the transparency 100, for the blur 0, color, it should be colored your background color. To be sure that it's 100% same as your background color, you need to type in again the hex code I use, which is hex code FFFF00 for yellow color. And then click apply. I will position the image at the middle center. Now, take a look how the image has been wrapped inside a bunch of text. It's almost done. But as I usually do, I'd like to enhance the look of this design by adding a frame from Elements. So I will go to Elements and search for Isolated Picture Frame Hanging. Go to Graphics. And here they are. So many frames to choose from. But here's the element I look into. This one, showing you the keyword. I will use it and drag it inside my design. I will now position the image inside the frame and make some little adjustments on the positioning. And done! Here now is the final design I created using the wrap text effect in Canva. That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this! If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Pinky Godson BA saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Simon Goodheart BA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit the tickle bell icon so you don't miss the next video with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys! See you in the next video!